The Honor 9N comes with a 5.84-inch multi-capacitive touchscreen with notch full-view display. It also features a sleek 2.5D glass design with mirror-like effect. Choose from two colors, blue and black. The phone comes with 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB. It provides a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone is also available with 128GB internal memory. It also comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The phone has an immersive 5.84-inch Full HD notch full view display to provide a smooth viewing experience. It also comes with an adaptive display that lets you switch easily between the notch and full view mode. The 19:9 aspect ratio and 79% screen-to-body ratio ensure seamless viewing experience. It also comes with face unlock and fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. Honor 9N has a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera with bokeh effect. It also comes with 4-in-1 light fusion technology that provides great details even in low light conditions. The 16-megapixel front camera lets you take quality selfies with ease. The phone runs on Android operating system. The Kirin 659 octa-core processor provides smooth multitasking and high-end gaming. It also comes with a game suite that lets you experience lag-free gaming. This phone is powered by a 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, quick start guide, warranty card, eject tool, protective case. The Honor 9N comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.